This is how you can create a text reveal effect using CapCut on PC, and it's completely free. This is our original clip. First, let's add our text. Click on Text from the top toolbar, then select Add Text. Type your desired text, choose a font, and position it anywhere you like on the screen. Next, extend the text layer in the timeline so it matches the full duration of your video. Once done, it should look something like this. Now export the video, but we're not done yet. After exporting, go back to your editing timeline. Select the text layer and press Delete. Now import the video you just exported with the text. Next, select the original video without text, and add the exported video as an overlay. Move the playhead to the very beginning of the clip. Zoom into the timeline until you can clearly see individual frames, like 5F, 10F, and so on. Select the overlay layer, then go to Mask. Choose Split. Click on Adjust, go to Rotate, and set it to 90 degrees. Now position the mask just behind your moving subject. Once positioned, click the keyframe button. You'll see a blue diamond icon appear. Move the playhead forward every 5 frames and reposition the mask behind the subject again. Each movement will automatically create a new keyframe. Repeat this process until the text is fully revealed. Once you're happy with the result, export the video. And here's your final output. Follow for more CapCut PC tips and creative editing tutorials.